In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and use scripts in Adobe Illustrator, a process that should only take about 5 minutes. This quick guide will help you enhance your workflow by integrating custom scripts into your design process. Before we start, it's important that you close Adobe Illustrator if it's currently running. This ensures a smooth installation and prevents any conflicts. First, head over to your preferred Adobe Illustrator script site. Once there, browse or search for a script that suits your creative needs or workflow enhancements. Found one? Great, now download the script. It's as straightforward as clicking the download link. But make sure to note where it saves to your computer, usually in a folder like Downloads. After downloading, locate your script. It will typically be a file with a JS or JSX extension. These are standard formats for scripts designed to work with Illustrator. Keep this file handy, as we'll need it in just a moment. Next, let's open the drive where Adobe Illustrator is installed. For most users, this will be the C drive, but be sure to check for your specific setup if it's installed elsewhere. Go to the folder that contains your current version of Adobe Illustrator. Inside this folder, you'll find several subdirectories. What we're interested in is the Presets folder. Open the Presets folder and locate the language folder that corresponds to the language version of Illustrator you're using. For example, if you're using the English version, look for a folder labeled ENES or similar. Inside this language folder, you'll find another folder named Scripts. This is where we're going to place our script file. All you need to do now is paste the script file you downloaded into this Scripts folder. You can do this by right-clicking in the folder and selecting Paste, or using the familiar Ctrl+V keyboard shortcut. Make sure the file is pasted directly into the Scripts folder so Illustrator can access it when it runs. With the script in place, it's time to open Adobe Illustrator again. Once it's up and running, head over to the File menu. Under File, navigate to Scripts. Here, you should see the script you just installed listed among any default scripts. Click the script to run it, and just like that, you're ready to see it in action, enhancing your Illustrator experience. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to download, install, and use scripts in Adobe Illustrator. Feel free to experiment with different scripts to discover which ones can help streamline your work and unlock new creative possibilities. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!